Ladies and gentlemen, this is our channel In Swingers. I am Moinray Ankon, coming to talk about the third match ODI of Dettol ODI series between Australia and India, which has been ended at Manuka Oval, Canberra a few hours ago, and India have won the match by 13 runs and avoided the 3-0 clean sweep. Now let's begin. Unlike the previous two ODIs, this time India have won the toss and opted to bat first. Both the teams have made some changes in the 11s, like in Indian side, Mayank Agarwal has been replaced by Shubman Gill in the opening slot, and young pacer T. Natarajan made his debut. Australia also introduced a debutant, and he is young bowling all-rounder Cameron Green. However, after batting first, Indian openers didn't click like the previous two ODIs, and India lost the early wicket of Shikhar Dhawan. Then skipper Virat Kohli came to the crease, and with Shubman Gill, both were going well, but Ashton Agar broke the partnership by taking the wicket of Shubman Gill. In the meantime, Virat Kohli became the quickest batsman to reach 12,000 ODI runs, where he needed only 242 innings to achieve this milestone, and he surpassed his countrymate Sachin Tendulkar, who needed 300 innings to reach this milestone. After Shubman Gill's dismissal, Shreyas Iyer came to the crease but didn't support Virat properly, and Lokesh Rahul was dismissed for quickly, and his dismissal and wicket taker was same like Shubman Gill. After scoring 63, Virat Kohli has been dismissed by Josh Hazlewood, and for the fourth time in a row, Josh Hazlewood dismissed Virat Kohli in ODI cricket. After Virat's dismissal, India scored 110 runs from last 10 overs, where 86 runs came from the last 6. Both Hardik Pandya and Jadeja were storming over Australian bowlers how much as they could. Hardik scored 92 runs unbeaten, and Jadeja also remained unbeaten, scoring 66 runs. And they made a 150 runs partnership at 6th wicket, and India scored 302 for 5 after 50 overs. While chasing 303, Marnus Labuschagne came into the opening slot in the absence of injured David Warner, but Marnus couldn't support properly as he has been dismissed by T. Natarajan. The captain Aaron Finch was playing sensibly and he was enjoying his life, but the previous two-match centurion Steven Smith couldn't last long. He dismissed by Shardul Thakur. Then Moises Hendricks came to the crease and he opened his batting by hitting 2 fours of his first 2 deliveries. Both Hendricks and Aaron Finch was going well, but just after the partnership was going well, Hendricks thrown his wicket away, and then young debutant Cameron Green came into the crease. In a few time, Aaron Finch also dismissed by Ravindra Jadeja. Young Cameron Green has been dismissed just after being settled in the crease. Then the slog hit up Glenn Maxwell and wicketkeeper Alex Carey were at the crease. Both Alex Carey and Ashton Agar was supporting Glenn Maxwell, and we witnessed again the thunderstorming innings of Glenn Maxwell. But when Australia needed 35 of 33 runs, Glenn Maxwell thrown his wickets away, and Bumrah is the game changer on this occasion. And in the few time, Australia has been bundled out, scoring 289 runs, while India have won the match by 13 runs and avoided the clean sweep. And the difference is the third ODI and the first two ODIs. Difference is that Indian bowlers and fielders were so active than the first two. More than half over of the innings, India conceded dot balls, and this is the main pressure Australia felt, and they couldn't cope up with it. And in Canberra, pitch was a little bit slowish than Sydney Cricket Ground. India scored a safe score of 302 runs, and they were charged by after scoring this. And Hardik became the man of the match, and Steve Smith became the man of the series. That's all from the third ODI. Will coming on 4th December, where the first match of the 3-match T20 series will be played. Tuned, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.